So we are live. We are live on Facebook. So Zozo, my beautiful souls, welcome. Welcome to this special live of the Nisa Show. Type live if you are here with us right now, or type replay if you are watching this amazing conversation later. And if we haven't met yet, I am Nisa, Kamarul Nisa, India's first Hikmat coach and founder of the Hikmat Academy. And I help corporate professionals transform into Hikmat leaders. And on a mission to guide 1 million professionals to achieve inner wisdom, heal emotional wounds, and rise as confident, harmonious leaders in both their personal and professional lives. And today we are diving deep into something that touches all of us, our relationships and our sense of self. So many people feel invisible in their relationships because kahin na kahin they stay stuck in उसी toxic patterns में, wondering why does this keep happening to me. हमेशा हम यही क्वेश्चन अपने आप को बोलते हैं कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, and they try to fix their partner instead of healing themselves. They settle for relationship that drain them rather than relationship that thrive. जो हमें करना चाहिए उस रिलेशनशिप को ठीक करना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमेशा बोला जाता है कि बुराई को खत्म करना है। इंसान बुरा या अच्छा हम खुद बनाते हैं, उस बुराई को जड़ से निकालना होता है। And today we are breaking those patterns, and I am beyond excited to introduce our guest, Dr. Sangeeta Patnaik ji. Welcome, Doctor. She is a renowned counseling psychologist, India's first couple compatibility coach, and a transformational relationship expert. Full package है, कोई भी question related to relationship you can ask us in the chat box and we will definitely took your questions. Dr. Sangeeta's mission is powerful. इतना powerful है कि she is helping people rebuild not just their relationship but themselves, from emotional pain and invisibility to confidence to clarity and deeply aligned partnerships, ताकि वो एक fulfilled life जी सके. Welcome again, Dr. Sangeeta. वो यहाँ पे हैं हमारे साथ. And
Hey.
before we dive in, welcome.
Thank you so much, Kamar. Thank you for such a beautiful introduction.
So before we dive in, I just want to express my deep gratitude to you, Dr. Sangeeta, for being here and for the incredible work you do, leading a movement that empowers people to stop settling and break that toxic patterns and create relationships and lives that truly thrive. Wherever you are in your relationship journey, today is going to give you clarity, healing insights milengi, and practical tools to transform. Welcome again, Dr. Sangeeta, and I'm so excited to have you here and learn from your expertise. Before we jump into further Q&A या जो भी conversation, tell us about yourself, about your work you do. Over to you.
Thank you, Kamar, and thank you for all the viewers who are watching us live. Thank you. I really appreciate you taking time and being here live. That shows that a part of you is already ready to improve or you are ready to change whatever things you are going through. Okay, so I truly appreciate on behalf of both of us. Now, a quick introduction about me, which is not there on internet. I always start my introduction with this. जो नेट पे है वो तो कोई भी जाके सर्च कर सकता है, जो नहीं है, I would love to share a part of me. I'm a mother of 2 kids, married to a businessman, and my journey of being a couple compatibility coach, it all started with my own journey. Okay, it all started with own personal life while I was really going through a very, very deep phase, very strenuous phase of my own marriage, wherein I got to know the answers of majority of my problems is that love was never enough to build, survive, and to have a fulfilling partnership. And we
Yeah.
all need that compatibility. Even if you have love, if you're not building compatibility, so कहीं ना कहीं हमारा वो belief रहता है कि with love, compatibility comes as a gift. वो मेरी भी
Hmm.
सोच थी, that was my belief too, and maybe that is the reason we had to go through what all we had to go through as a couple, and I personally had to experience a lot of things which eventually I realized ki no, this is gonna be my, I'm a registered psychologist on Practo. Mental health, emotional health, something is really need of the hour now. All the viewers
Need
would
of
agree
that.
with me and give me in the comments that yes, oh yes. But along with it, what I realized during the COVID times, actually, people who go through mental wellness illness or emotional illness, majority of them, the underneath issues were relationships. And that's where this compatibility word evolved. कि I really want to help people with that. Yes, marriage is also a skill जो हमको कोई सिखाता नहीं है, रिश्ता कैसे निभाया जाता है. And we all hold on to that guilt, shame, that self doubt, और छुप के रहते हैं कि रिश्ता काम नहीं कर रहा, and we carry that shame. जबकि होता है ना कि it's a exam, without even teaching we need to perform and we need to excel also. अगर कहीं ना कहीं fail
Hmm.
हो भी गया, it becomes a very shame on us, right? So that is where the whole mission got started, Kamar and all the viewers, that I really want to build better role models in every family जहाँ पे ये generational trauma
Yeah.
हम रोक पाए. Children have the
Hmm.
best of the best role models as their parents, क्योंकि उनके लिए उनकी सबसे पहली लव स्टोरी तो पेरेंट्स ही है,
बिल्कुल.
कोई मूवी नहीं है. The first
Hmm.
love story for a child is the parents they see. Okay,
Hmm.
so I really wish, pray, and may the divine make me that channel that we build so many successful love stories that children,
Uh-huh.
just have a better role model to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So true. So true. Zabardast. So, Dr. Sangeeta, your journey is, I think, incredible. जो आप कर रहे हो, 18 years of experience, 20,000 plus people help, recognized by Fox Story India as one of the 50 inspiring women under 50, right?
Yes.
So, but what really stands out is your mission, helping people rebuild not just their relationship but themselves, जो कि एक वही ना आपने कहा कि need of the hour है. That's so powerful because I think most जो ये relationship एडवाइसेस जो भी दी जाती है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना, लेकिन जब हम दूसरे घर जाते हैं वहां टोटली एक डिफरेंट प्लेटर होता है हमारे लिए. हमें
True.
समझ नहीं आता है कि इस प्लेटर को कैसे डील किया जाए. So what drives your mission to help people rebuild not just their relationships but ये जो themselves वाला part है? I want to know this. Yeah, our
Yeah.
audience also want to.
यस, आपने शुरू में बहुत जल्दी बात कही कि आपने बोला कि वी ट्राई टू फिक्स और चेंज आवर पार्टनर. ओके,
हाँ.
सो वाज आई इनटू दैट रेस एंड दैट बिलीव कि मुझे भी अपने पार्टनर में ही प्रॉब्लम दिखती थी कि उसमें मुझे बहुत कुछ फिक्स करनी है. बट विथ
Hmm.
ऑल दिस ऑफ माय ओन पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एंड हैविंग वर्क विद सो मेनी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कपल्स बाय नाउ, इंडिविजुअल्स बाय नाउ, आई वुड लेट यू नो दिस कि हमारा खुद के साथ जैसा रिश्ता रहता है ना, so if we are broken person, so basically we attract for who we are. So imagine, I'll
बिल्कुल.
give you this example. Okay, imagine, और मैं ये बहुत सारे clients को ये example देती हूँ और मैं सबको देना चाहती हूँ ये. So basically एक बॉटल है, अगर हम उस बॉटल में कोई भी इरिटेड ड्रिंक्स डाल देते हैं, राइट, एंड वी शेक इट ऑफ,
Hmm.
तो जैसे ही हम
Hmm.
कैप खोलते हैं इट विल स्प्लैश, राइट.
Yes.
तो वही बॉटल में अगर हम पानी डाल देते हैं, क्लियर पानी डालते हैं, तो हम जितना भी उसको शेक करें, कुछ भी करें, उछालें, एंड देन वी विल ओपन, इट विल नॉट स्प्लैश, राइट. सो बेसिकली ईदर वी कैन से कि ये तो एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर और ट्रिगर आपने ऐसे किया तभी निकला. कुछ लोग बोल सकते हैं कि यह बॉटल की साइज और शेप वैसे थी उसलिए उसलिए निकली. एंड द रियल थिंग इज मे बी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड द बॉटल.
Yeah.
सो
आप डाल
बेसिकली
क्या रहे हो?
या सो हमारे अंदर वो है क्या, अगर हमारे अंदर सालों का वो सेल्फ डाउट, वो सेल्फ एस्टीम, वो रिजेंटमेंट, एंगर, शेम, गिल्ट वो ऑलरेडी पड़ा है, हमारे पार्टनर बस उसको एम्पलीफाई करते हैं. दे जस्ट
बिल्कुल.
मल्टीप्लाई एंड ट्रिगर इट एंड वही निकलता है. दैट इज वाई व्हेन यू रीबिल्ड योर सेल्फ, व्हेन यू हील योर सेल्फ, योर रिलेशनशिप विथ यू चेंजेस. The self doubt
Hmm.
turns to self love, the low self esteem turns to deep self acceptance, the rage, the anger, the resentment turns to inner peace. Now imagine कोई कुछ भी लिखा ले ट्रिगर, क्या लिख लेगा फिर? एम्पलीफाइड सेल्फ लव लिख लेगा,
Amplified.
एम्पलीफाइड सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट लिख लेगा,
हाँ.
right?
Hmm.
So that is where what you asked is like, first the relationship itself has to change,
Change.
then your relationship with a lot of other people will start changing eventually.
True.
That's where I believe in. So in my programs also, Kamal, I always insist, even if you do your couple therapy, you master your relationship skills. The first and foremost thing, non-negotiable thing, self mastery तो आपको करनी है. You need to have the art of mastering your mindset. You need to have learn the art of mastering your emotions. You need to understand your own patterns कि मुझे क्या चीजें ट्रिगर करती हैं. ओके, एंड देन इन कम्युनिटी में ये बोलती हूँ मैं, उसके बाद लिख के ले लो मेरे से, किसी की भी बम में दम ना हो जो आपको हिला पाए उसके बाद. So
True.
this invisibility, what you're feeling, you become an invincible soul after that. You're unstoppable, you're unshakable. So your partner is a mirror of you. So उनको भेजा ही गया आपकी लाइफ में, हमारे लाइफ में, कि वो ट्रिगर कर पाए, so that eventually we become a better version of ourselves. आपने नोटिस किया होगा,
बिल्कुल.
राइट? टॉक्सिसिटी
बिल्कुल.
जब इतना बढ़ जाता है either of the partner. I am not a big believer of Kamar, क्योंकि having worked with so many people by now, no doubt because of the patriarchy, is the ratio of the women is more than the men, but men are also going through. And
Yeah.
if our viewers, anybody men in the room watching me, trust me, I feel you while I tell you this, because in my
Yeah.
community I've seen that there are emotionally aware men also, but wounded women wherein they are not emotionally mature to appreciate that.
True.
Okay,
True.
so that is where we need to first rebuild ourselves, our relationship, heal ourselves basically, instead of finding a better partner. I insist, and this is what the whole journey can be rewired, when instead of choosing and searching for better partner, when we try to become a better partner.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल. So true. So true and such a powerful thing कि वही ना, उंगली उठाने से पहले ये चार अपनी तरफ है, इन पे अगर पहले काम किया जाए तो ये वाली उठेगी ही नहीं. So
Yeah.
true. Such a powerful example you shared with us. Thank you so much for sharing this that type of वो instinct की अपना कितना वो बॉटल वाला. आई लव दैट एग्जांपल कि जब वो हम कुछ वैसा डालेंगे ही नहीं तो कितना भी शेक करो तो वो नहीं निकलेगा, वो 100% नहीं निकलेगा. थैंक यू सो मच. So, Sangeeta ji, I work with so many women या corporate professional who tell me कि I have tried everything to save my relationship, जो कि बोला जाता है, या I keep attracting the same type of partner, या I feel it visible, जो कि सबकी शिकायत होती है. I feel it visible कि मुझे वो महत्व नहीं दिया जाता है. जब हम फैमिली में बैठे होते हैं मुझे नहीं दिया जाता वो महत्व इन माई ओन रिलेशनशिप, राइट? क्योंकि इस बात को ज्यादा किया जाता है कि नहीं तुम उनकी सुन रहे हो, मेरी नहीं सुन रहे हो. मुझे मुझे होता है फील कि मैं यहाँ पे बैठी ही नहीं हूँ, राइट? सो क्योंकि ये एक पैटर्न है टू स्टेइंग स्टक इन टॉक्सिसिटी, स्टक इन इनविजिबिलिटी, स्टक इन द होप दैट थिंग्स विल मैजिकली चेंज. यही करते हैं हम. सो व्हाट्स द बिगेस्ट मिसकंसेप्शन people have about saving their relationships, and why do so many people stay stuck इन्हीं टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में? क्यों वो पैटर्न में रहना चाहते हैं या रहते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्रेकिंग फ्री? अगर क्योंकि हम इलाज ढूंढेंगे तो वो तो मिल ही जाएगा ना, सोल्यूशन ढूंढेंगे वो मिल ही जाएगा, तो क्यों नहीं ढूंढा जाता है? क्या मिसकंसेप्शन है नाउअडेज जो आप देखते हो अपनी कम्युनिटी में, जो आपसे हेल्प लेने आते हैं?
See, first of all, what you said, it's a pattern. We all are
हाँ.
patterns. Now, patterns could be resourceful, patterns could be unresourceful, right? Positive patterns, negative patterns. So any pattern, if it's empowering you, it's a good pattern. Agar it's disempowering you or limiting you, it's definitely an unresourceful pattern. So उस pattern को समझना. So when people say कि I keep attracting the similar kind of partner in my life, that means there is a repetitive pattern in you. That is the reason you are attracting the similar kind of a partner. So अगर मैं वही bottle की example लूं, and I'll tell you that, imagine if you are someone who says that my words doesn't matter so much, I don't matter, my opinions doesn't matter. So लोग बोलते हैं कि देखो there is a very thin line difference between, ये कोई गूगल पे नहीं मिलेगा किसी को भी, as a expert I'm sharing this. So there is a very thin line difference between self esteem and confidence. कॉन्फिडेंस जो हम दुनिया को दिखाते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस जो हम और आप दिखा रहे हैं, व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं एंड ऑल, सेल्फ एस्टीम इज तुम्हारे कमरे में कोई नहीं है, ओके, देयर इज नो वन अराउंड यू, देयर इज नो वन इन योर रूम, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ, what kind of a self concept you have it about yourself, कि यार संगीता 2 बच्चे तेरे हो गए हैं बट तू अपने लिए खुद स्टैंड भी नहीं ले पा रही है, यार तुझे कुछ भी कोई बोल के चला जा रहा है, यार कमर तू ठीक है सारे सब कुछ तो देख रहे हैं बट तुझे तो एक बात बोलती है तुझे बाउंड्री भी सेट नहीं करना आ रहा, just random examples I'm giving. Now what is that a self image you have it about yourself? Definitely low. Now when
Yeah.
you yourself have low self esteem, would you be able to set boundaries to other people who mistreat you? A big no, because you don't value yourself, you are not proud of the journey that you are living today. You are, I'm not proud of, in case in case if I'm not proud that I'm a mother of 2 kids, I'm running a business of crores, if I'm not celebrating my own self, who else will? So
Who
हमको वो
else?
बताया गया है वो पैटर्न, that you, अगर जब तक तुमको कोई अप्रूवल और वैलिडेशन नहीं देता है तब तक you are not good enough.
Hmm.
And in that continuous hope of getting that validation that you are good enough, we keep on over functioning, over giving, over pleasing, overdoing, and getting over frustrated also.
हाँ, कुछ तो कभी तो मिलेगा, कुछ तो मिलेगा.
So the solution for this is, let's all stop living in hope, eventually जो हमको hopeless, helpless और worthless भी feel करवा रहा है.
हाँ.
Let's see the reality now. Okay, this is what it is. Will I be able to keep on compromising like this one day with the hope that they will appreciate me for who I am? Or no, I will see the reality. People with low self-esteem will never ever bring anybody's self-esteem down. I'll repeat that. जिसकी
हाँ.
सेल्फ एस्टीम हाई है ना ऑलरेडी, जो खुद को लेके ऑलरेडी दे आर प्राउड ऑफ देमसेल्व्स, they will never ever let anybody feel lesser about them. And people who with low self-esteem will keep on pulling your self-esteem down, टेम्पररी सही उनको अच्छा लगे. एंड प्रिडोमिनेटली अगर अनअपोलोजेटिकली यहाँ पे मैं रिश्तों की बात करूं, इट कुड बी योर इन लॉज, इट कुड बी योर स्पाउस, इट कुड बी दैट दूर की चाची, पास की नजदीक की मासी, एंड वॉट एवर रिलेशनशिप यू हैव, एक्सटेंडेड वन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, what is there is coming out. तुमसे तो ये भी नहीं होगा. If I'm talking, मुझसे इतना भी नहीं हो पा रहा है, their job is just amplifying it. वो तो सिर्फ amplify करें जो तुम्हारे अंदर पड़ा है. Now imagine if you have the version, I'm gonna break this pattern. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि कौन, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है मतलब not ego, from your higher self. You have worked on yourself so much and you love yourself, your journey, and you know what does it takes to live this life, this journey to overcome. And you celebrate yourself 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4th day. Trust me, that pattern will break in your
Break.
life.
Yeah.
Because how you see yourself is the reflection of how world is seeing you today.
True.
Okay.
ये स्माइल मैटर करती है, ये स्माइल मैटर करती है, बट हमें हंसना तो आना चाहिए. जैसे
Yes.
कि वो लोग तो वही सर्व करें, उनके पास वही है, वो हमें वही दे रहे हैं, लेकिन वी नो हमारे पास क्या है, राइट? इट्स एन आई ओपनिंग थिंकिंग. बट यू आर सेइंग कि आज इसका मुझे लगता है बहुतों को आंसर मिल गया होगा कि यहाँ पे है, वो अंदर है जो आपको ठीक करना है, कि रूम में बाहर वैलिडेशन नहीं चाहिए आपको, अपने अंदर वैलिडेशन चाहिए. थैंक यू फॉर पॉइंटिंग आउट दिस वन थिंग. ये वाला शायद समझ आ जाएगी. अंदर जाके देखो रूम में आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है, आप अपने से क्या बात कर रहे हो. थैंक यू सो मच. सो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं कि as you know, I am a Hikmat coach, and as a Hikmat coach, I teach my community strategic that emotional healing, knowing what patterns to break, what to set, when to send boundaries, yeah, and how to rebuild yourself. these principles are not just about कि communication हमें सिखाते हैं, communication tips, it's about वही कि deep inner work, right? So your work of emotional healing, identity transformation and relationship mastery, right? So हर प्रैक्टिकल जो टूल्स होते हैं बहुत से हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है, एंड व्हाट आर योर दैट या स्पेशल या सम प्रैक्टिकल टूल्स या टेक्निक्स बोल लीजिए कि पीपल कैन यूज टू स्टार्ट वो जो ब्रेकिंग टॉक्सिक पैटर्न्स होते हैं, या अपने आप को रीबिल्ड करने के लिए, या बिल्डिंग हेल्दी कनेक्शन। जस्ट आज कोई ऐसे कोई टूल्स है जो इजी टू यूज होंगे कि जल्दी से वो लोग क्विक फिक्स, क्योंकि हमें आदत है क्विक फिक्स की।
Honestly speaking, I don't believe in quick fixes. Okay, so if you see, आज रिश्ते बहुत सारे टूटने के कगार में आते हैं because of this quick fixes only. So
दैट्स
quick
व्हाई
fixes.
आई रेज दिस
So quick fixes तो कुछ ऐसा है नहीं मेरे पास, neither I would suggest. But to answer to your first part of the question, what modalities, what tools I use, I am a CBT specialist, I am a TA specialist also. CBT is cognitive behavioral therapy, and your transactional analysis. Analysis is wherein you actually understand the mental map of the other person, and then there is a different tool altogether. I'm a trained hypnotherapist also, not that using pendulum and all, no, just through the power of hypnotic commands. How do you get into a communication which puts you into the trance of flow state, जहां पर आप एक दूसरे की बात को सुन पाओ, समझ पाओ, प्रोसेस कर पाओ. That's what even I teach. Now coming back to one thing that would change their life is, yes, I would love to give that direction. We are sum total of our values, our needs and our beliefs. ठीक है. जो हमारी बिलीफ है ना, वो हमारी बिहेवियर को डिक्टेट करती है. हमारा बिलीफ, अगर अगर किसी का बिलीफ है मैरिज इज ऑल अबाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, तुम अपने बिहेवियर में कितना ही चेंज कर लो, तुम्हारा बिलीफ है कि मैरिज इज ऑल अबाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, सो आपकी जो बिलीफ है वो आपकी बिहेवियर को डिक्टेट करती है. एंड योर बिहेवियर डिसाइड्स वेदर योर बॉन्डिंग इज गोना बी बिल्ट और ब्रोकन. बोलने का मतलब क्या है? इमेजिन अगर किसी का बिलीफ है कि ओके इंटीमेसी मतलब ओके आई एम हैप्पी, नो दैट इज इंटीमेसी. Now that's what will dictate about the behavior in a marriage also. If I'm happy, my marriage is happy. It doesn't matter if my partner, the person would not care, right? Now that thing would either build your marriage or break your marriage now.
या
Okay. So one tool, please be aware of your own top 5 non-negotiable values. मतलब क्या? आपकी values जो है ना, वो आप हो. Values are your inner drive which helps you or empowers you to take decisions in your life. आपको लगता है, देखो अभी दो इंसान है, राइट? लेट्स से somebody would say कि मुझे भाई नंबर 1 पे ही रहनी है. And I would come up and say कि I also want to be the number 1, but not at the expense of my integrity. तो किसी एक पहले इंसान के लिए अचीवमेंट, सक्सेस पहला वैल्यू है. मेरे लिए इंटीग्रिटी पहली वैल्यू है, उसके बाद सक्सेस है. सो व्हेन यू आर अवेयर ऑफ योर वैल्यूज एंड देन यू सी
वैल्यूज,
व्हाट आर योर शेयर्ड वैल्यूज विथ योर पार्टनर, पांचों के पांच नहीं मिलेंगे, बट कुछ एक तो ऐसे मिलेंगे विच वुड गिव अ शेयर्ड मीनिंग टू योर मैरिज.
तो 100% मिलेगा ही मिलेगा।
ओके. एंड देन नीड्स की बात अगर करूं तो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि जो मेरी नीड है, that is what I would expect in my marriage. It's the other way around. You understanding what's your partner's need. Okay. So I take into a very deep dive sessions wherein आपको खुद में समझ में आता है. So the very moment you have a conflict, forget about partner. You have a conflict with anybody. You would sit with yourself instead of blaming, shaming, complaining them. You ask, okay, out of my 5 values, कौन सी वाली compromise हो रही है? तब भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. And then you take a charge of it. Acha, my maybe freedom is being compromised, maybe peace is being compromised, maybe authenticity में नहीं, मैं authentic नहीं रह पा रही हूँ, इसलिए मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. And
अच्छा
then you
नहीं
take a
लगा।
charge of it. Okay. So one thing, one message, just ask yourself, if I'm not happy in this relationship, okay, what is that one reason I'm not able to accept about my own self? This one question will give you a direction towards your own self-discovery. If I am not happy, I'll repeat it for all of us. If I am not happy in this relationship, what is that one thing I'm not able to accept about myself?
घूम के फिर क्वेश्चन वहीं आ गया, अपने बारे में, खुद के
Yes.
बारे में आप क्या फील कर।
Yes. And maybe your answer will come, I'm too emotional, I'm too sensitive, I'm too rigid, मुझे forgive करना easily नहीं आता है, मैं बातों को बहुत जकड़ के, you will have your own answers. Every answer will be different. Now, I know a lot of people ask, ma'am, we come to you for sharing the pain that we all have gone through. मुझे एक चीज बताओ, क्या ही फर्क पड़ेगा इवन इफ आई टेल यू 1000 टाइम्स कि यस आप बहुत ही अच्छे हो, आपके पार्टनर 100 आना वही गलत है, भाई एनीवेज विल योर लाइफ चेंज? इट विल जस्ट गिव यू दैट कंफर्ट एंड सोलेस कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैंने परफेक्ट हूँ, सामने वाले के लिए हुआ। बट द मोमेंट, एंड पूरा पावर वहां चला गया बाय द वे, बिकॉज यू आर पावरलेस
या
ना, आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो। बट द मोमेंट यू से आई डोंट माइंड whoever whatever he or she is, what can I do for myself so that I can bring out the best version of me in this relationship?
या
That is one tool I would give.
कदम तो बढ़ाओ, आगे तो चलो, फिर तो आगे कुछ मिलेगा। स्टेप तो लो, वो पहला कदम लेना ही तो मुश्किल होता है, लेकिन वो लो तो सही खुद के लिए, कि अगर आप चाहोगे तो ठीक होगा कुछ, लेकिन आप खुद ही नहीं उस, जो आप बोल रहे हो कि कौन सी वो एक चीज है जो आपको रोक रही है, सेल्फ डाउट है, क्या है वो, ऑथेंटिक नहीं हो, गो अहेड।
Yeah, that's the answer I would. Yeah.
लव दिस सच क्लियर, इतना प्रैक्टिकल है कि हम कैसे किस चीज को हम वो ना जोड़ रहे हैं, कैसे जोड़ रहे हैं, कैसे हमने अपने आप को करना है। क्या हम एक काम एक दिन एक काम नहीं कर सकते अपने आप को ठीक करने के लिए? ऑटोमेटिक जब हमने वो एक बदलाव अपने में लाया, वो हमारे रिलेशनशिप में उस दिन आ गया। और
I'll give
क्योंकि
that example actually in my case itself. You know what, Kamar, I have grown up hearing this कि तुम काफी short tempered हो, तो काफी emotional है, you know, all these things. And I remember while we were dating, is was fine, long distance relationship था, उतना तुम जब तक रहोगे नहीं एक साथ तो समझ में नहीं आएगा आपके differences. And then when we got married and all, when my own husband also said like, you're very short tempered, you're very emotional and all. And it was just a matter of one day when I actually had to sit with myself and dig that, is it that true that I am really short tempered and emotional? And I got my answers also. I am seeking that validation, joy, or happiness from everyone around me. While I was a teenager, maybe from the family members. While I got married, it was from husband and in-laws. And that saga would have got continued if I would not have choose my healing journey. If I would not have said enough is enough, now I want to be the strongest. Now, मेरा पूरा business run करती हूँ मैं emotions पे ही. Okay, so emotions hona, emotional hona, sensitive hona, because I tell this, I work with mindset, but I'm a heart person. Okay, I do business also from heart. But you being intelligent enough to process and channelize your emotions, it's very important. That's a skill we all need to learn. Okay, so that was the turning point in my life too, that मैं आज भी emotions है मेरे में, but I know whether I will take the charge of it, क्योंकि तुम्हें कैसा प्यार चाहिए. I want you to listen to me very carefully on this. How you want to be loved, how you want to be respected, how you want to be cared. Mark my words, there is no one in this world who can love you the way you would love yourself. So, how about knowing that and training and telling other people that this is my standard?
This is my standard. Yes.
Yes. So eventually we
Yes.
are training other people. Ki it's okay, you can speak to me like this. You can mistreat me. You can disrespect me. You can uncare for me. And in that process, I've seen a lot of women, especially, they also start loving themselves. Yeah.
So true. So true. Amazing. So many people are joining. Welcome. So glad to that you joined us on the Nisa show. We are here with Dr. Sangeeta Patnaik, India's first couple compatibility coach and renowned counseling psychologist who has already transformed 20,000 plus relationships and lives. And we are having a real conversation. आप देख ही रहे होंगे about breaking toxic relationship patterns and rebuilding yourself from within. क्या बोला मैंने? Rebuilding yourself. अपने आप को rebuild करना है from within. So drop your questions in the chat box about relationships, about this emotional healing जो कि आपको तोड़ रहा है कहीं ना कहीं, और जिस इस टॉक्सिक पैटर्न को हमें खत्म करना है. एंड I will read your question and Dr. Sangeeta will definitely answer that question. I am waiting for your questions. Thank you so much, Soma Sen Gupta. Thank you so much, Sunil. Thank you, everyone. So, you know what gives people hope? जो हमें उम्मीदें मिलती हैं कि हम सुने कि उसकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई, क्योंकि हम हमेशा एग्जाम्पल्स के बारे में, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल स्टोरीज से हम चाहते हैं कि हम सीखें, अगर उसका ठीक हुआ तो मेरा ठीक होगा. सो जब किसी की हम स्टोरी सुनते हैं जो कि सेम इसी लूप में था, फीलिंग इनविजिबल, इमोशनली ब्रोकन, स्टक इन टॉक्सिक पैटर्न्स बट completely transformed. That's what make people believe, right? If she or he did it, so I can too, right? So can you share a powerful story of someone who came to you feeling इनविजिबल, डिस्कनेक्टेड या इमोशनली इतना ब्रोकन था कि आपको कई दिन लगे उसको संभालने में, या और फिर उसकी एक लाइफ जब ट्रांसफॉर्म हुई, उसके रिलेशनशिप चेंज हुए, तब उसके चेहरे की चमक तब कैसी थी, वो पहले क्या था और बाद में क्या था? क्या आप शेयर करेंगे हमारे साथ?
Yeah, sure. To read out a cup, not one or two, there are so many
So
success
many.
stories. You can go and check out on my Google. आप गूगल पे ही आप अगर सर्च करोगे डॉक्टर संगीता पटनायक एम्पावर्ड रिलेशनशिप एकेडमी एंड गो एंड चेक आउट दोज रिव्यूज. दोज आर ऑल रियल टाइम रिव्यूज. ट्रस्ट पायलट पे देख सकते हो, प्रैक्टो पे देख सकते हो. But I would love to share personally, not one or two couples. In my career, all this entire career, I have 9 couples by now. उनमें से 3 कपल ऐसे तो हैं कि they have backed out from the last verdict date of the divorce. While I
Oh.
tell you this, yeah, there is one couple who got remarried after the divorce also, and I can tell you one thing: the
Oh.
beauty about such relationship is now it's not that they have remarried. That वो remarried word भी बोलना मुझे सही नहीं लग रहा, because basically they are two different identity shift happening and got into relationship now. So earlier it was completely a needy kind of a marriage. क्योंकि देखो हमारा belief क्या बोलता है कि we all come with this belief system कि अच्छा lonely हो शादी कर लो, एज हो गया शादी कर लो, there is someone who is interested in you, कोई बात नहीं है शादी कर लो, right? But until you know, and I am no one to sound like a figured it out all kind of a person, but out of my experience I'm telling you, my personal experience, शादी का essence ही होता है that we grow as a better person. आप सब मुझसे ये you would agree, whatever is the worst part of you ना, ये सिर्फ आपके पार्टनर जानते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स भी नहीं जानते इस बारे में. हाउ मच वर्स्ट यू कैन बी जब आपको गुस्सा आता है, जब आप टैंट्रम थ्रो करते हो, देर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यू ओनली एंड ओनली योर पार्टनर नोज इट, वाइस वर्सा. आपके पेरेंट्स क्या,
Yes,
कोई
sir.
भी नहीं जानता इस. सो नाउ
Yes.
यू टेल मी, भगवान ने जब ये रिश्ता बनाया और सालों का इतना, सो दिस इज वन रिलेशनशिप. सो इफ यू सी, एक लड़की जब शादी भी करती है, वन शी गेट्स मैरिड, सी आई एम नॉट, विद ऑल ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट, पीपल हु मेक दैट चॉइस कि नो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड, I respect you, I honor you. But I'm coming from a space of, as human beings, emotional beings, हम हर कोई चाहते हैं कि we need that sense of belongingness and companionship. But हम इतना हर्ट होते चलते हैं कि हमारा रिश्तों पर से ट्रस्ट उठ जाता है.
जुड़ जाता
बट हाउ
है.
अबाउट, जब तक आप में वो आइडेंटिटी शिफ्ट नहीं होगी ना, तब तक आपका कोई भी चीज चेंज नहीं होगा. आप जितना भी टूल्स यूज कर लो, स्ट्रेटेजीज यूज कर लो, बोलते हैं ना कम्युनिकेशन ट्रिक्स भी यूज कर लो, कुछ नहीं चेंज होगा. Until your identity shift happens from a people pleaser, approval seeker, to a person who accepts himself or herself completely, who knows how to set boundaries, who means what, like, you mean what you say and you say what you mean. So basically, complete alignment.
Yeah.
Trust me, the partner is also, you're going to attract somebody who's aligned. Okay, people ask me, इसका मतलब क्या दूसरी बार शादी करनी है? Not really. Two things, either of the two things will happen. जब हम outgrow करते हैं, जब हम heal हो जाते हैं, and if there is a partner who genuinely loves us, they also put in that effort.
बिल्कुल
Or
बिल्कुल।
you would be having that courage to move out, but next time आप वही pattern of partner attract नहीं करोगे, because you are not the same person now.
बिल्कुल, you are not the same person now.
Okay.
True.
So one of the story is that they were into this, and they said ki ma'am, it feels like, and recently, day before yesterday, I got a voice note saying that ma'am, 7 saal mein I never felt like this feeling what I'm going through. I feel like I'm into my dating phase now. All these years I have been blaming him, complaining him ki you don't love me. After completing the sessions, I have, like, those 10x magnetic you, invincible you programs. After that, I realized all these years, out of my 32 years, I never knew how to love myself. और जब मैंने वो सीखा ना, I could see my husband respecting me more, valuing me more, honoring me more, respecting my boundaries also, because I know how to treat him also well.
Hmm.
Okay, so there are multiple stories. So these were a couple of new stories. कि anything is possible. जब आप एग्जाम्स में फेल होते हो, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि आपकी करियर पूरी खत्म हो जाती है.
हाँ
कोई
हाँ
9th में फेल हो गया, कोई 10th में फेल हो गया, कोई इंजीनियरिंग में बैकलॉग्स लग गए, किसी ने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी या फिर यूपीएससी एग्जाम 6 बार 7 बार में अटेम्प्ट किया. Those times you might feel कि अरे यार खत्म हो जाएगी. Oh, that is preparing you for something bigger,
something
something
bigger.
better. ओके,
हाँ
सो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार, एंड पीपल, आई हैव दिस आल्सो बिलीव कि अभी डिवोर्स तक हो चले गए, अभी फिर से लोग क्या सोचेंगे, सबसे
क्या
बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, व्हेन यू वर रियली क्राइंग दो स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, नोबडी वर देयर. ओके, एंड आई विल हाईली हाईली एनकरेज, इंसिस्ट, जब आपको प्लम्बर की जरूरत होती है, आप कारपेंटर के पास नहीं जाते हो.
ही जाते।
जब गायनिक की जरूरत पड़ती है, तब आप साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास नहीं जाते हो. सो प्लीज, people who haven't yet worked on their relationship yet, it could be your own elderly person in your own family, it could be your own parents also. Please do not make
हाँ,
one person, one set of people as a subject matter expert. सबसे बड़ी गलती.
सबसे बड़ी गलती।
Okay,
So true.
so whatever is your problem, go to the proper thing which they are
Expert.
expert, the subject matter experts. ओके, मेरी
हाँ
लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी गलती कमर वही हुई है. पीपल हु यूज टू एडवाइज मी, सजेस्ट मी, टेल मी, टॉन्ट मी, और अस, आई वुड से अस, बोथ ऑफ अस, were the ones who never ever could have worked their own relationships. So being a preacher is very easy, but
is very
becoming
easy.
a person who is an implementer, it's a very difficult thing.
Hmm.
Okay, and when you are an implementer, आई फील योर एक्शंस एंड वर्ड्स तो बहुत दूर की बात है, आपकी इंटेंशन और आपकी एनर्जी स्पीक्स लाउडर देन एवरीथिंग एल्स. पीपल कैन
बिल्कुल।
सेंस योर एनर्जी.
हाँ
Okay, so this is one advice, one request, one appeal, whatever you can name it as, or if you really value me as a 1% also, okay, she talks something sensible and she has some credibility to speak this, please do not just stop that mistake. Okay, all I can say, we all go through this relationship, irrespective of men and women. Every one of us is struggling.
Hmm.
I get a lot of DMs ki ma'am, आप women की pain को ज़्यादा देखते हो. What about men's pain? No, I focus on the ratio of patriarchal pain what majority of women are going through. That doesn't mean I discard the men also. Ratio ज़्यादा है ना. It's like 80-20.
रेशो ज्यादा।
Okay,
रेशो
there are
ज्यादा।
also men who are emotionally aware, who are better, partner when they bring out the best in their, opposite gender. So this is one success story. So anything is possible if you believe in it.
Incredible, amazing. Congratulations that you are doing this amazing work. And जो सच्ची में हमें उसके पास एक्सपर्ट के पास जाओ ना, आई सो वेल एक्सप्लेन कि आपने बोला प्लम्बर की जरूरत है तो हम प्लम्बर को ही ढूंढेंगे ना, हम उस वक्त किसी और कारपेंटर को नहीं ढूंढेंगे,
Kamar,
एक्सपर्ट को
there was
ढूंढो ताकि
a 16-year-old teenager who that तब मेरी clinic की setup थी, okay? That point of time I was not completely shifted to online. Post COVID, तो I completely shifted to
पोस्ट
online.
को
So I remember this child visiting my clinic, hugging me back, and saying that thank you so much for giving my parents back. आपने बोली सक्सेस स्टोरी की, मोर देन द सक्सेस स्टोरी, ऑल आई कैन से माय मिशन बिकेम इवन beyond myself. I tell this to the couples, I tell those women and men, I'm not doing it for you, I'm doing it for your children.
या क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वही सफर सबसे ज्यादा जो सफर होता है
Yes,
चिल्ड्रन,
yes.
चिल्ड्रन होते
Yeah.
हैं.
So
सो ट्रू, सो ट्रू. सच में अगर कोई बच्चा आके कि आपने, क्योंकि
it
उसके
just
जो
clicked
रोल,
me actually, so I
हाँ,
wanted to share that.
थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग कि ये वाली ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टोरी सुन के लगेगा लोगों की नहीं हमें इस पे काम करना चाहिए और इट्स पॉसिबल. ऐसा इस दुनिया में हमेशा बोला जाता है कोई अगर डिजीज आई है तो उसका इलाज पहले आया है तब वो
True.
डिजीज आई, लेकिन उसकी तरफ हमें वो ढूंढना है इलाज. और अगर कोई नाकामियां भी है, जैसे कि एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने कितना अच्छे से बोला था कि जब ये फेलियर की बात आई कि फेलियर इज नॉट द एंड ऑफ द रोड, इज ओनली द बेंड. एक बेंड है, वो बेंड सीधा भी हो जाएगा और
True.
आप देखो कौन ये सीधा कर सकता है, उसके पास जाओ. सो वी हैव डॉक्टर संगीता हियर, तो आप इनके पास जा सकते हो इफ यू हैव any questions like that, any problem like that. So all right, Dr. Sangeeta, thank you for your valuable insights.
Thank you,
So
Kamal.
now it's the time, एक ये fun part थोड़ा इस live का है, rapid fire.
Yeah.
Shall we
Bring it
proceed?
on. Yes.
तो आपको इसको complete करना है इस sentence को. A healthy relationship starts with
Mutual respect.
mutual respect. A healthy relationship starts with mutual respect. Thank you. Love that. So another one is, can toxic relationship even truly heal?
Toxic relationships cannot be healed because relationship is the mirror of us. If it's one word, so it can be reframed. It can be rebuilt only with two people. It can be healed. Okay. It can be healed. Yeah.
It can be healed. Or if walking away is the only answer? No. Walking
Are
away is
are
or walking away is the only answer for that.
that
कि चले
depends
जाओ.
actually. A lot of time it's an illusion also. Come at this question, I won't be able to answer in one word or one line. That
You
depends.
can go ahead.
Yeah, that depends because toxic relationships also have dealt with when eventually people have realized कि वो toxic relationship नहीं था, सामने वाला उतना भी बुरा नहीं था. It's just that they were not aware of their own patterns. They were sitting on a lot of wounds. Bottle में इतना भरा पड़ा था, वही बाहर निकल रहा
ये
था.
बाहर
So
निकल
when
रहा
we
है.
started working on taking out each of the weeds out of the bottle, then it was a clean water actually absorbing the clean water. So based
Yeah.
on my experience, I'm saying this. Today, तो बोलते हैं ना जो tags लगाना बहुत easy है. Having said that, people who are sure, of course, it's not about walking away or staying. It's about you choosing yourself first.
Yeah, such में everyone needs to hear this question.
Okay.
So another one is कि what's one relationship advice that sounds good but is actually harmful? कुछ ऐसा?
When you give more, you will get love more. Biggest myth.
नहीं, ये नहीं होता है. थैंक
No.
यू. सिंपली माइंड ब्लोइंग, क्योंकि ये वाला सुनना भी बहुत जरूरी था लोगों को कि हम बोलते हैं देते जाओ देते जाओ देते जाओ. अरे पहले अपना कप रहना चाहिए, उसमें कुछ रहना चाहिए, तब आप दे सकते हो दोबारा भी. So another one is communication skills are emotional maturity. What matters more? Communication skills are emotional maturity.
Emotional maturity. When you are emotional maturely, your communication will be always assertive.
हाँ, आप सोच समझ के बात करोगे, जबरदस्त. सो और है एक कि व्हाट्स द फर्स्ट साइन ए रिलेशनशिप इज worth fighting or for or versus letting go? क्योंकि हमेशा बोला हमेशा letting go काम नहीं करता है, I think.
Okay. अगर रिश्ते में if you are fighting with each other, wrong sign, because you are
Yeah.
not two different teams. The day you realize you are fighting for each other, आपके सामने में पूरी दुनिया है, आपकी पेरेंट्स है, आपकी फैमिली है, आपका करियर है, आपके फेलियर्स है, आपके फियर्स है, और आप एक टीम हो. If you are fighting for each other, that's true relationship. So when you said कि क्या सही है, so the first sign is, are you you're just playing as a team, or you're just performing as two partners? So
तब
you
कोई
need to be
रिजल्ट भी
players as
मिलेगा.
two team, as at one team. Yeah.
वाह, अमेजिंग इनसाइट डॉक्टर संगीता, अमेजिंग. क्योंकि तभी रिजल्ट मिलेगा जब आप एक चीज को लेके एज अ टीम प्ले करोगे, राइट?
Yeah.
So last one is that what is your mantra on this, that one sentence advice for someone who keeps attracting the wrong partners?
It's my firm name, guys. Relive your life on your own terms, because you matter.
You matters. Thank you so much. So Dr. Sangeeta, this conversation has been so healing and transformation. I love that,
Thank you
simply.
so much, Kamal, for
So
having me. It was such a privilege. You have done a well research of good groundwork. I loved answering. Time kaise beet gaya, I couldn't really literally realize. So a lot of gratitude, and I truly appreciate for bringing in that essence of questions, qualitative questions, jahan pe wahi hai problems actually. So I truly appreciate you for having me here.
Zabardast. So before we wrap up, for everyone watching who wants guidance on emotional healing, relationship transformation, or couple compatibility coaching, how can they work with you? What are you offering right now? Where they connect with you?
Okay, I'm available in so many platforms, guys. If you want to connect me on Instagram, it's Coach Dr. Sangeeta Patnaik. If you would search in Google itself, Dr. Sangeeta Patnaik, you will find all my listings actually. On
All
Practo, you will get for Trustpilot, you will get for Instagram. You will have my own website there wherein you can start. Okay, so I would insist that if you want to really understand and have clarity about where do you stand, on my website itself, I have a questionnaires which will tell you where you stand, how much is your invisibility score in your marriage, you will get to know. What is your compatibility index in your with your relationship with your partner, that you will get to know. आपकी mental health की status अभी क्या है, that you, so there are a lot of questionnaires. Okay, quiz है, तो आप उसके basis पे then you can decide, and वो quiz के हिसाब से there are recommendations कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए अभी.
क्या करना चाहिए?
Okay, so what you can do, Kamar, is if when you are posting it, आप जब post करोगे, I would love for you to just post my website link there. Maybe that would be a one-stop solution for everyone. फिर वहां से वो
Okay.
मुझे follow कर सकते हैं. Yeah, I really would insist on Instagram daily 3 to 4 posts of mine, the team posts.
Oh wow.
Okay, and I can guarantee you, just by following and going through those posts every single time, you would find a lot of shift in you in terms of at least awareness.
क्योंकि अवेयरनेस ही पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द अवेयरनेस. जब हमें पता
Yeah.
होगा हम इस चीज से लड़ रहे हैं, तो तब उसका सोल्यूशन मिलेगा.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for being here and making relationship healing feel empowering and real. This has been, I think, incredibly valuable. So beautiful souls, here what I want to remember, to just remember ki just like Hikmat teaches us what to do, when to do, and how to prioritize ourselves, healthy relationships start with knowing who you are. यही हमने अभी तक बात की. It's not about fixing your partner. It's about healing yourself. It's not about settling for that toxicity. It's about breaking patterns and choosing differently. किसी amazing तरीके से heal होके, पढ़ के, यही जैसे कि डॉक्टर संगीता ने कहा, डेली 3 to 4 पोस्ट आर देयर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो अगर आप रोज एक एक चीज पढ़ोगे, अंदर जरूर जाएगा, क्योंकि जब हम देखते हैं वो हमारे अंदर जरूर जाता है. So you don't have to stay invisible in your relationships. You don't have to keep attracting the wrong partners. You don't have to choose between being alone or being in a toxic relationship. Today, Dr. Sangeeta showed you that with the right tools, awareness, and courage, you can rebuild yourself and create a healthy relationship that truly matters and that truly thrive. Right? Today, you witnessed something rare. Two of India's first coming together for your healing, and this is just the beginning. And if you want to develop your inner wisdom, heal emotional wounds, and transform into Hikmat leaders who makes powerful relationship decisions, join us at the Hikmat Academy. Remember, beautiful souls, sometimes the miracle starts with choosing yourself, right? Dr. Sangeeta, any final message you want to share with women and couples watching who might uh, be struggling right now? Anything?
I'll just share this four four letters, four words, or let's say, I would want you to note down also, people who are watching us. SW, 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 and SW. You must be wondering, क्या बोल रही है? Okay. Some will value you for who you are. Some will love you for who you are. Some will respect you for who you are. Some won't. Okay, so SW, SW. So what? Someone is waiting to embrace you, value you, love you, accept you for the way you are. So always remember, if you are stuck somewhere, if you are going through a painful relationship, painful phase in your relationship, remember this. Some will, some won't. So what? Someone is waiting.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Okay.
जबरदस्त 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 thank you thank you all for joining us live. Until next time, keep healing, keep choosing yourself, and keep building relationship that honor your soul with lots and lots of love and relationship clarity from me and Dr. Sangeeta. And for my amazing beautiful souls, don't ever forget that your peace within yourself, within your wisdom, creates miracles wherever you go. Zozo from me and
More
Dr.
power to
Sangeeta.
you, Kamar. Thank you so
Thank
much.
Thank you.